Oh, they're having fun.
Forgot the ball.
Come on. Come on, you guys. Go, 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 go. Go get the ball. All right. Yeah. That was good. Come on, Sahilu. Go, go, you guys.
Yeah, you can zoom in if you don't want to zoom in. There they go.
We're on West Palm Beach, and this is the dog run area. So they're having fun, running around. We're behind the tennis court. Taking a break now. They're just having a blast. Now they're drinking water, I guess. There's the other dog on the end. Run, run, puppy! I give you something. I give you a treat. Run, puppy. There they go. Run, run.
And then bring him back.
Mm-hmm.
They can.
Jan, you want to say something to the camera?
No.
No, you don't want to say anything?
You barely record anything anymore.
Okay, so you guys are having fun, huh? Go, go get the ball. Go get the ball. Go get it. Yeah.
Loves the rush.
This is Awa. Hi, Awa. Hi. And that's Sahelu. Hi, Sahelu. Now, where's my Sute? There goes Sute. They was having some water. There's Sute back. Oh my God, they're fast. And